On this day, a devastating war was finally over. Europe began rebuilding itself, and a declaration changed the future of an entire continent. May 9th shaped the modern world. Some dates become more than history, they become symbols of victory, unity, and new beginnings. May 9th is one of those days. In 1945, countries across the Soviet Union celebrated Victory Day after the defeat of Nazi Germany in World War II. For millions of people, the long years of conflict had finally come to an end. Families gathered in the streets, soldiers returned home, and entire nations looked toward rebuilding. The sense of relief was palpable. Even today, May 9th remains one of the most important remembrance days in modern history, a testament to human resilience and the hope for lasting peace. Fast forward to 1950, where a monumental shift began with Robert Schuman's presentation of the Schuman Declaration. This proposal was simple yet powerful: European countries should cooperate rather than compete through conflict. This foundational idea later blossomed into what we now know as the European Union, marking a major stride toward peace and unity within Europe. The vision of a continent working together was transformative, fostering collaboration rather than discord. In 1960, another significant change unfolded with the introduction of the first approved birth control pill available in the United States. This pivotal moment represented a major shift in healthcare and society, initiating essential conversations surrounding freedom, medicine, and the control over one's reproductive choices. The introduction of the pill reshaped how individuals viewed family planning and women's rights, serving as a catalyst for broader societal shifts throughout the decades. Then, in 1961, Newton Minow delivered a memorable speech that would resonate in media conversations for years to come. In his address, he criticized television programming, famously dubbing it a vast wasteland. His insightful remarks challenged both media producers and viewers, prompting them to reflect on the quality of content being broadcasted. The phrase became iconic, forever altering the dialogue surrounding television and its role in society. From the end of conflict to the beginning of European unity, and from significant social advancements to critical assessments of media, May 9th serves as a poignant reminder that history doesn't just shape the past, it shapes the future too.